Hello friends, today I'm going to be preparing chicken shawarma. This is one of my favorite Middle Eastern street foods. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients. So here I have taken 250 grams boneless chicken. I have cut it into strips. To this I'm going to be adding garlic paste 1 teaspoon. In goes ginger paste 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon green chili paste. 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon crushed red chilies. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 2 tablespoon thick yogurt. 1/4 teaspoon food color. It's optional though. Now mix it well and let it marinate for half an hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare our pita bread. So here I'm taking 250 grams maida or all-purpose flour. Sieve it and transfer it into a large bowl. In goes 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Baking powder half teaspoon. Powdered sugar 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoon thick yogurt. 2 tablespoon refined oil. Now mix it well so that the oil incorporates well in maida. See, you should be able to get this crumbed texture. Now start kneading the dough by adding little by little water. Make sure that the water is warm. We will be needing approximately half cup warm water to make a smooth dough. Discard the rest of the water. Now cover the dough and let it rest for 2 hours. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in a pan and add the chicken pieces in it. Cook it on high heat for 1 minute. Now reduce the flame to low. Let it get cooked slowly for 10 minutes. Keep checking and stirring in between so that it doesn't get burnt. See, the chicken has started releasing its water. It will get cooked in the same water. Now cover it and let it cook further till it's completely done. Our chicken pieces are tender now. Once the pieces become tender, increase the flame so that all the water dries up. See, all the water has dried up completely. Just break the pieces using spatula. It's done. Now let's switch off the gas. Guys, this step is optional, but if you could grill the chicken pieces, it will actually taste the best. Do this very carefully to get that smoky flavor. It's done. Now keep it aside. Our dough is ready. Knead it for 2 more minutes. Now cut it into 3 parts. Make a ball like this. Dust it in dry flour and flatten it. Roll a dough like chapati, but it should be 1/4 inch thick. Now if you want, you can prick it with fork so that it doesn't puff like chapati. It's optional though. Once the tawa is hot and nice, put roti over it. Keep the flame to low to medium. Flip and cook both the sides. It will take 20 to 30 seconds each side. Similarly, prepare the rest of the pita bread. Our pita bread is ready. Now let's assemble everything. The vegetables to go in shawarma are cabbage, carrot julienne, cucumber julienne, and capsicum. In a bowl, I'm gonna mix mayo and tomato ketchup and mix it well. Now I'm gonna spread it on the pita bread. If you have hummus, you can spread that too. Top it with a lot of chicken pieces. Now place all the vegetables over it. If you wish, you may add one more layer of mayo over the vegetables so that it will become more juicy. Now roll it and secure it with the toothpick. Or if you want, you can wrap it with the butter paper. And our delicious shawarma is ready to serve. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel.